your name?
My name is binod tamang.
Binod, how old are you?
I'm 25 years old.
Are you married?
I'm single.
Okay, have you been into any other countries before?
Not yet, ma'am.
Okay, so in Nepal, what do you do?
I work as a cook helper,
Okay, you work as a cook helper.
all-rounder boy in a
Okay.
hotel.
Okay, you work in a hotel in Nepal.
Yes, ma'am.
So in a hotel as cook helper, what work you do?
I work like cutting meat, vegetable, washing dishes, managing the dishes, managing the garbage,
Mm-hmm.
wastage, etc.
Okay, so in Romania you have to work 10 to 12 hours. Can you do that? Do you have any problem?
Yeah, ma'am, I can do that.
Okay, so do you have any health problem?
No, ma'am.
Okay, please show me how you cut the vegetables. Okay, thank you.
Thank you, ma'am.